How to enable 2FA Trading 212. Follow the instructions. Open the Trading 212 app or go to the Trading 212 website. Log into your account. Go to the menu or tap your profile icon. Select Settings from the menu. Find and tap the Security option. Look for two-factor authentication in the Security section. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. Open your authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Scan the QR code shown on Trading 212 with the Authenticator app. Get the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app. Enter the code into the Trading 212 screen to confirm. Two-factor authentication is now enabled on your account. Thank you for watching.